Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning Unit 10. Its title is The Goose That Laid Golden Eggs. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to participate in conversation. Before this, we have already practiced it, how to greet. So whenever we start conversation, we start it with greeting. We have learnt it, and after greeting, how to continue our conversation. This is we learned today. And our SLO is to participate in conversation. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Luqman, verse 18. And do not turn your nose up to people, nor walk pridefully upon the earth. Surely Allah does not like whoever is arrogant or boastful. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Because this beautiful verse is telling us the way we should spend our lives. We should not hate people. Don't turn up your nose. We should not hate people. Rather, we should love people. And we should walk on earth gently. We should not be pride. Why to pride? What is there to be proud of? To be proudful of, okay? And because Allah does not like arrogant people. We should be humble, we should be nice, we should be decent, and we should love everyone around us, right? This is the message of this beautiful verse. Now let's start our today's lecture. First, you tell me, how do you talk to people? When you talk to people, how do you talk with them? And how do you show respect while talking to elders? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, how do you talk to people? I know my children talk to people in a polite and a decent manner. Better, this I have taught you many times. In every lecture, I tell you we should talk to people politely and in a very decent manner, right? And better, when we are talking to elders, we should show respect. And how do we show respect to them? We should listen to them. Whenever an elder person is talking to us, we should pay attention, we should listen to them. And whatever they are asking to us, we should obey them. And we should stay quiet when elders are talking. We should not, when an elder person is talking, we should be quiet. And we should listen. When the person stops talking, then we should start speaking, okay? And we should respond to them in a lower voice than theirs, okay? Better, when we talk to our elders, we should speak in a lower voice. We should not raise voice in front of our elders, okay? These are the manners. These are the decent manners of decent children, and my children are very decent, okay? So whenever you talk to elder persons, you should show respect by following these rules, okay? You already do that, very good. And if you miss any, you should start doing from today. All right, okay, let's see. Here is a conversation between a boy and his grandmother. What they are talking about, let's see. First of all, Ali says, Assalamu alaikum. We know whenever we talk to a person, we should say Assalamu alaikum first, okay? And what the grandmother says, Wa alaikum assalam. How are you, grandmother? Now you see the manner. Ali did not say, grandmother, I want to see the. First you ask them, how are you? I'm fine. Grandmother, may I ask you something? Now see what a beautiful manner. You should not. Better, whenever you are talking to your elders, first you should take permission. Okay. May I ask you something? And if Granny said, yes, sure, now you may ask. But if she says, no, at this time I'm busy, come some other time, You say, okay, I'll come some other time. All right. Beta, we should be very decent and obedient. Okay, if elder says not this time, it means not this time. We should not resist. No, I want to say something. Listen to me. Do you do that? No? Very good. Okay. So what he is going to, now grandmother said, yes, sure. What he is going to ask, how was your childhood? Now grandmother says, it was amazing. What were you like as a child? Means when you were a child, what type of child you were? I was kind and obedient. You see, kind and obedient. I always spoke the truth. I used to take care of my family. I was tidy and a happy child. You see, these are the qualities of a good child. Tidy, they always wear neat and clean clothes. They are neat and clean all the time, and they are happy. They are not like, they don't have long faces. They keep on smiling all the time. Okay, so this is what grandmother is telling what type of child she was. Ali, wow, I also want to be like you. Grandmother smiled. Yes, you can be like me if you obey and respect your elders. Right? So this is the tip. If you obey and respect your elders, you are a good child who can learn a lot of things from elders. Okay? So that's it. This is the dialogue between Ali and his grandmother. Now let's do an activity, and what the activity is, teacher will divide class in pairs. One student is going to be Ali and the other will be grandmother. So it will be a fun activity, okay? And students will practice this dialogue in pairs, okay? And make sure teacher, every child should participate. So pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will practice this dialogue with the eldest member of your family. Okay, whoever is eldest member, your grandmother, your grandfather, and if they are not around, your mother or your father, practice this dialogue with them. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, again, this is a dialogue you are going to practice with one of your sibling, your sister or your brother, whoever is available. So what we have learned today, we learned to participate in conversation. Means whenever we talk, how should we talk? This is what we learned today. So I hope we understand everything. Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.